Hey guys, this is Mike from Tech Reviews here, and today we take a look at and unbox the ProtoArc EKM01 keyboard and mouse combo. Alright guys, welcome back to the channel, and I hope everyone's having a good December. So today we're going to take a look at the ProtoArc EKM01 keyboard and mouse combo. So the company reached out to me, and I told them since I got a new laptop that I wouldn't mind testing out this and unboxing the mouse and keyboard. This is mostly going to be just an unboxing and what it looks like, and I might have a small connection video really quick to see how it works. But yes, this is again the ProtoArc again EKM01 mouse and keyboard. Just so you guys know, it is a split keyboard, so it's definitely not a normal keyboard. I've actually never really used a split keyboard, so that's why I wanted to check that out. But check this out. It says ergonomic split keyboard and sculpted mouse combo. There's another picture. Here's some specs of the actual items, just so you guys can kind of see. The keyboard is a 300 milliamp battery. The mouse is a 500 milliamp. So I don't know if this comes equipped to be USB charged, or if it needs some AA or AAA batteries. I guess we're going to find that out as we get this unboxing going. Alright, so let's go ahead and get this unboxing going. Hopefully not a very long unboxing. And let's take a look at the keyboard really quick, the big item. And who knows, maybe I might swap this out for something else here, but check this out. It looks very nice, and I do like this portion down here, especially when you're typing. It does have like some sort of soft pad material over here on the bottom, and again, we can always check out the ProtoArc logo, just so you guys can check that out. Let's go ahead and zoom in back to 1x just so it looks better. So far, the keyboard itself, it feels very nice in hand though. As far as like the key taps, it's not very loud either. I mean, it's loud enough. Keyboard wise though, it does feel very good. And I really do like this. I might actually end up swapping that out for this one down here, although I do like my cheapy Aula keyboard, which I've had for the last couple of years. I really haven't really changed this one out. Let's go ahead and look for the mouse really quick in here. I'm gonna put that aside, and the mouse right here. Again, I don't know if this comes with any type of AA batteries or what. Let's see. Nothing else really comes inside the box here. Empty, okay. Empty, but the packing beads. Let's take a look at the mouse really quick. And I'm going to assume that the keyboard has some sort of like AA batteries. I don't know if the mouse is rechargeable though, via USB. Here's the mouse itself though. Again, looks pretty good. Look, check out that logo here, ProtoArc. And right now, this this combo is actually $99 on the website. I don't know if there's an Amazon link that I can share. But well, I'll definitely take a look at that. But if you look at here, obviously it's got extra buttons. I'm not much of a gamer, but for people that are into gaming, that might actually be useful to you. Check this out. I guess that's the on and off. Yeah, on and off. And I don't see. Okay, see, this one does have the USB port, so I don't even know if this is a wireless, to be honest. Hold on, let me take a look at the the specs really quick. Alright, sorry about that guys. So I kind of got this figured out already. So the mouse actually and the keyboard have one little Bluetooth receiver that I did not see came inside the packaging. So as you can see here, there is the receiver right there, and it actually works on both mouse and keyboard, which is pretty cool, because I remember back in the day you would need more than one, I guess, to do that. But so far, not too bad. I mean, again, I like the keyboard. Let's see if we can search up Tech Reviews over here. Let's see. It's very hard for me to get used to this style of keyboard. Let's go ahead and move that back range very quick. There we go. Oh yeah, let's look up this channel, Tech Reviews. And the mouse, honestly, it feels really good. I really like the fact that it has like this wedge here to put your thumb in. So I'm a big fan of that. It does have different modes over here. Now, of course, I have it set to number 1 because that's where I actually was able to get it to work with the with the actual laptop itself, right? So there's that. We can check out my latest vlog video over here, right? And again, scrolling feels good, no issues with that. The clicks are very soft. Let's go ahead and click this really quick just so you guys can kind of see that I am working with the mouse here. That's me right there. Replay crew. I know it looks crooked, but my bed is just kind of lopsided. Okay, so there's that. But yeah, guys, I mean, it's supposed as far as the battery life on this goes, it's supposed to have like a 90 days, or actually no, like a 6-month standby time. But the cool part is, it can all be charged via internal battery on the actual things. So the keyboard does have a, I don't know if you guys can see that or not, probably not, but there's a micro USB port, right, USB Type-C port up there. And again, it has an easy on and off switch here in the back as well, so that you guys can do. And of course, if you guys like to have your keyboard at a kind of like a specific level, you can do that. You can stand it up a little bit higher than it normally would be. And again, you can just turn these off and on. Again, the mouse has an on and off switch there. And again, to charge it, you would just put it there. And I guess it's pretty cool that you have both the receiver for both of them, because again, like back then I would have old school like Logitech mouses and keyboards that, you know, I would end up having to use more than one USB port for. So again, guys, not too bad so far, and I'm really liking this. And just going back so that we can finish off the video here. Again, the battery, from what I'm seeing on the website, says it has 100 hours of use as far as the actual usability goes. So again, all you need to do is just plug this in to get both of them charged if you guys need charging. And if you're like me, you probably will just turn the items off after use, especially if it's like for a laptop or anything like that. So again, guys, not too bad of an item here. Again, I want to give ProtoArc a shout out for sending this out to me. Again, I'll go ahead and leave you guys some links in the description down below so you guys can check out the actual items yourself. Again, right now the keyboard and mouse combo is $99 on their website. I don't know if there's going to be any type of Amazon links down here to check out, but we'll go ahead and post those up as well if you guys want to check that up as well. So again, guys, this is Mike from BTech Review signing off. Thanks again for watching. Smash the like button. We'll see you guys next time. Okay.